Good morning everyone. So we'll continue with differential equation, which was the form variable separable form, right? So solve e power y into 1 plus x square into dx minus 2x into 1 plus e power y dy is equal to 0. So here it is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So this is m dx n dy is equal to 0, right? So now we have mixture of x and y terms, we have to segregate this, right? Here we have to eliminate e power y in order to make it x term. Here we have to eliminate x. So what we have to do, divide the entire equation by e power y into x. So what do we get? E power y into 1 plus x square dx divided by e power y into x minus 2x into 1 plus e power y dy divided by e power y into x is equal to 0. Here e power y gets cancelled. Here x and x gets cancelled. So what do you have now? 1 plus x square into dx divided by x minus 2 into 1 plus e power y divided by e power y into dy is equal to 0. So now we have successfully segregated x and dx together, y and dy together, right? So now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. What do you get? We will have integration of 1 plus x square divided by x into dx minus 2 into 1 plus e power y divided by e power y into dy is equal to 0. Here we can write this as integral of 1 by x plus x square by x dx. I am splitting the denominator for both numerators, okay? Minus integral 2 by e power y. Okay, we will keep 2 aside itself. 1 by e power y plus e power y divided by e power y dy is equal to 0. Since 2 is a constant, we can bring it out of the integration, right? So that will be easy for us. What is the integration of 1 by x? Integration of 1 by x is log of x plus here 1x gets cancelled. So integration of x is x square by 2 minus 2, we are taking it outside. So integration of 1 by e power y is, what you have to do? You have to bring this e power y to the numerator, right? Here this gets cancelled and becomes 1 into dy is equal to 0. So this is log x plus x square by 2 minus 2 into, this will be e to the power of minus y divided by minus 1 plus integration of, what is integration of 1? With respect to y, it is y plus c is equal to 0. So what do you have? Simplifying this, what do you get? Log x plus x square by 2 minus, this minus into minus becomes plus, 2 I am multiplying inside, so 2 e power minus y, minus into plus minus 2y plus c is equal to 0, which is our required differential equation. Next question is solve e power x tan y dx plus 1 minus e power x secant square y dy is equal to 0. As you can see, this is in the form of m dx plus n dy. right? So here I wrote the question again. So here if we divide this, we don't want e power x here. We don't want 1 minus, sorry, yeah, we don't want tan y here, and we don't want 1 minus e power x here. So divide the equation by tan y into 1 minus e to the power of x. So what do you get? E power x dx divided by, okay, I'll write the cancellation too, tan y into 1 minus e power x plus 1 minus e power x into secant square y dy divided by tan y into 1 minus e power x. So here tan y gets cancelled. Here 1 minus e power x, 1 minus e power gets cancelled. So remaining is e power x dx divided by 1 minus e power x plus, here what's remaining? Secant square y dy divided by tan y. So now our next step is to integrate on both sides, right? Integrating on both sides. Now what do you get? Integral of e power x divided by 1 minus e power x into dx plus integral of secant square y tan y into dy. So here you can see differentiation of 1 minus e power x is what? Okay, I'll take minus common outside, then we can get that. Okay, e power x, I'll tell you why did I take the minus common outside. So this becomes e power x minus 1 dx plus integral of secant square y into tan y dy. Here if we differentiate e power x minus 1, what do you get? E power x, this is 0, so we'll get e power x, right? So differentiation of the denominator is numerator. Here also differentiation of tan x is secant square x. We have a formula. If we have f dash integral of f dash of x divided by f of x, that is denominator's differentiation is in the numerator, then we can write this as log of f of x. Okay, that is log of the denominator. This is a formula. So here this is also of the same form, right? So here denominator's differentiation is in the numerator. Here also denominator's differentiation is in the numerator. So this entire integral can be written as log of e to the power of x minus 1. This minus is remaining, so I am keeping that minus aside, plus integral of this is again in the same form. So log of f of x is here tan y dy is equal to, I'll take the integration constant as log c since we have log for both the terms here. Okay, so what is the formula for log m minus log n? The formula for log m minus log n is log m by n, right? Log m minus log n. So log positive terms, this thing should be in the numerator, right? Log m minus log n. So log m by n is equal to log c. So here we have log of tan y by e power x minus 1 is equal to log c, right? So I can write, if this is a logarithm definition, right? Log m base e is equal to a can be written as e to the power of a is equal to m, right? E to the power of a is equal to m. So m is equal to e to the power of a. So I am writing this in this form. Okay, so here we have, in the place of m, what do we have? Tan y divided by e power x minus 1, base e, right? So it is e to the power of log of c. We had a minus here, right? sorry, I missed it. Okay, so this would be, that minus I'm taking into the other side. Okay, this minus I'll keep it as it is. Here this is also a constant, right? I'm replacing this constant by c. C is equal to this. All are integration constants, so that doesn't make any difference, so I can replace it by c. So our required differential equation is tan y divided by e to the power of x minus 1 is equal to c. Next question is solve x square minus yx square dy by dx plus y square plus xy square is equal to 0. So here I'll first take LCM for this dx. I'll send this dx to the other side. So you have x square minus yx square into dy plus y square plus xy square. This dx I'm multiplying here. Now it becomes whole divided by dx, right? So whole divided by dx means that dx can be sent to the other side, right? Is equal to 0, that vanishes. So I'll directly write this. Here now we don't want, we can take x square common outside. So here x square into 1 minus y dy plus, here you can take y square common outside. So 1 plus x dx is equal to 0. In this term we want y term and dy, so this x square is extra. Here in this term we want 1 plus x and dx term, y square is extra. So divide the equation by x square into y square. So what do you get? X square into 1 minus y dy plus y square into 1 plus x dx. Here this is divided by x square y square. This is divided by x square y square is equal to 0 divided by x square y square will be 0. So here x square gets cancelled. Y square gets cancelled. So what is remaining here? 1 minus y divided by y square into dy plus 1 plus x divided by x square into dx is equal to 0. Now what are we going to do? We are integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. What do we get? Integral of 1 minus y by y square dy plus integral of 1 plus x divided by x square dx is equal to 0. So on integration, right, we can now split the denominator. So we can write this as 1 by y square minus y by y square dy plus 1 by x square plus x by x square into dx is equal to 0. So now here 1 by, here this 1y gets cancelled, 1x gets cancelled, this becomes 1 by y, this becomes 1 by x, right? So we have integration of 1 by y square. So this is nothing but y to the power of minus 2. This is 1 by y dy plus, here we have, this is 1 by x square can be written as x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by x into dx is equal to 0. Here integrating now, we have, this is in the form of x to the power of n. What is the formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is y to the power of minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, that is also minus 1. Minus 1 by y is log y plus, here x to the power of minus 2 is x to the power of minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is also minus 1 plus log x is equal to c. So what do you have? We have here 1 minus 1 by y minus log y minus 1 by x plus log x is equal to c. Okay, so now we have log m minus log n. What is log m minus log n? Log m by n, right? So this can be written as log of x by y minus 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to c, which is our required differential equation. Our next question is solve x y square plus x dx plus yx square plus y into dy is equal to 0. Here you can observe that we can take x common outside, right? So whenever you get the question, you write the question once again, then start the answer, okay? So we have dx plus yx square plus y dy is equal to 0. Taking x common outside, we are getting y square plus 1 into dx plus taking y common outside, we get x square plus 1 into dy is equal to 0. So here y square plus 1 is extra, here x square plus 1 is extra. So divide the given equation by y square plus 1 into x square plus 1. So we have x into y square plus 1 into dx divided by y square plus 1 into x square plus 1 plus y into x square plus 1 divided by y square plus 1 into x square plus 1 into dy is equal to 0. So here y square plus 1 y square plus 1 gets cancelled, x square plus 1 x square plus 1 gets cancelled. What is remaining? X dx divided by x square plus 1 plus y divided by y square plus 1 dy, right, is equal to 0. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, what do you get? We have integral of x by x square plus 1 dx plus y by y square plus 1 dy is equal to 0. Now if we see this problem properly, if this is a question, say this is f of x, and if we want to get f dash of x here, differentiation of x square is 2x, so we are missing a 2 here. Here differentiation of y square is 2y, this is 0, so we are missing a 2 here. So if we would have had 2x in the numerator and 2y in the numerator, we could have used the formula integral of f dash of x divided by f of x is equal to what? Log of f of x, right? So in order to make it that way, we can do one thing. So here for this given equation, if I multiply and divide by 2, I get 2x multiply and divide by 2, multiply and divide by 2, right? So I would have had 2x, 2 into 2y, 2 into. So you will get a confusion naturally that this 2 is not needed, right? I'll take 1 by 2 common outside. So what do I have? 1 by 2 I'm taking common outside. So I'll have 2x by x square plus 1 dx plus 2y by y square plus 1 dy is equal to 0. So now this is of our required form. Differentiation of denominator is in the numerator. Here also differentiation of denominator is in the numerator. So our formula was f dash of x divided by f of x. Integral of f dash of x divided by f of x is equal to log of f of x. So this can be written as log of, sorry I missed out the integral, log of denominator 1 by x square plus 1 plus log of y square plus 1. I will take the integration constant as log c is equal to 0. So we have, I just brought the plus log c to the other side, so that becomes minus log c. Here this is in the form of log m plus log n. So what is log m plus log n? Log mn, right? So I can write this 1 by 2 into log x square plus 1 into y square plus 1, okay, is equal to minus log c, right? So now here I can see this is in the form of n log m, can be written as What is n log m? Log m power n can be written as n log m, right? So this I can make it as the power of this. So we have log of x square plus 1 into y square plus 1 to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to minus log c, right? So here, now this is in the logarithmic form. Log base e of m is equal to a. This can be written as e to the power of a is equal to m, right? Okay, I'll distribute this half inside. What do I have? I can write this as log of root of x square plus 1 into root of y square plus 1. Power 1 by 2 is nothing but square root of, right? That I wrote is equal to minus log c. So we can write this as e to the power of m is equal to, m is nothing but x square plus 1 into root of y square plus 1 is equal to e to the power of minus log of c. Here this is an integration constant. I can replace this by c. So this can be written as x square plus 1 into root of y square plus 1, which is our required differential equation. You should all be knowing the laws of indices formula, that is a power m into a power n is equal to what is n log m, what is m to log m power n, what is log m by log n, log m minus log n, log m by n. All these formulas also should be known, so you have to copy down all those formulas too. Okay. Next question is, solve dy by dx plus root of 1 minus y square divided by root of 1 minus x square is equal to 0. So here I'll write this as dy by dx is equal to minus of root of 1 minus y square divided by root of 1 minus x square. I send this entire term to the other side, that's all. Okay. So now segregate x terms and y terms with dx and dy. Okay. We will segregate x and y terms. So we have dy by root of 1 minus y square is equal to minus of dx by root of 1 minus x square. I'll bring this term back to the other side. So we have dy by root of 1 minus y square plus dx by root of 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Now integrating on both sides, what do you get? Integral of dy by root of 1 minus y square plus integral of dx by root of 1 minus x square is equal to 0. So what is the integral of this? Standard formula. Integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sine inverse of x. So this will be sine inverse of y. So you have sine inverse of y plus sine inverse of x is equal to your integration constant c, which is, this is a required differential equation. Our next question is, solve e power y plus 1 into cos x dx plus e power y sin x dy is equal to 0. What is the solution? E power y plus 1 cos x dx plus e power y into sin x dy is equal to 0. Here in this term, this is the y term, so we don't want that term there, so e power y plus 1. In this term we don't want sin x term, that is sin x. We have to divide this entire equation using these two terms. E power y plus 1 into cos x divided by e power y plus 1 into sin x dx plus e power y sin x divided by e power y plus 1 into sin x dy is equal to 0. So here e power y plus 1 gets cancelled, here sin x gets cancelled. You have cos x divided by sin x dx plus e to the power of y divided by e to the power of y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, what do we get? Integral of cos x divided by sin x dx plus integral of e to the power of y divided by e to the power of y plus 1 dy is equal to 0. If you observe, you can see here this is of the form, what is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Differentiation of e power y plus 1 is e power y. So this is of the form integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x. So this can be written as log of the denominator, that is nothing but sin x, plus here also this also can be written as log of the denominator e power y plus 1 is equal to, I'll take the integration constant as log c. Okay, so we have this in the form of log m plus log n, that is nothing but log m into n, right? Log mn is equal to log c. Here if I apply integration definition, sorry, log definition, what do you have? E to the power of this is equal to m, right? So sin x into e power y plus 1 is equal to e to the power of log c. Since this is an integration constant value, I can replace this with another constant value c. So I will have sin x into e to the power of y plus 1 is equal to c, which is our required differential equation. Our next question is solve log of dy by dx is equal to ax plus by. So first I will use the logarithmic definition. So that is log dy by dx is equal to ax plus by. What is the logarithmic definition? E to the power of this is equal to this, right? So e to the power of ax plus by is nothing but dy by dx, right? Now this can be written as dy by dx is equal to e to the power of ax into e to the power of by. This can be split like this, right? So e to the power of ax, if it was only e to the power of a plus x, it could have been written as e power a into e power x, right? So likewise, when you get a plus here in the power, you can segregate this in this way using a multiplication sign. Okay, so now segregate dy terms with y and x terms with x. Y term is e to the power of by is equal to x term is dx into e to the power of ax. Now integrating on both sides, what do you have? Integral of dy by e to the power of by is equal to integral of e to the power of ax dx. Here this can be brought above, right? So this can be written as e to the power of minus by dy is equal to integral of e to the power of ax dx. So here integrating this, what do we have? E to the power of minus by divided by minus b is equal to e to the power of ax divided by a plus c, right? Now I can either keep it here or I can send it to the other side. Anything is fine, so I will keep it this way. This is a required differential equation. Our next question is solve x minus y square x into dx minus y minus x square y into dy is equal to 0. So here we will write the question first, that is x minus y square x dx minus y minus x square y dy is equal to 0. So here I can take x common outside, here I can take y common outside. So what do I have? I have x into 1 minus y square into dx minus y into 1 minus x square dy is equal to 0. So if I divide this equation by 1 minus y square, this becomes y. We will not have y terms, only x terms will be there. And if I divide this by 1 minus x square, then I will be remaining with only y terms, right? So dividing this line by this, what do you have? X minus 1 by y square divided by 1 minus y square into 1 minus x square minus y into 1 minus x square divided by 1 minus y square into 1 minus x square dy is equal to 0. Here this and this gets cancelled, here this and this get cancelled. You are remaining with x by 1 minus x square dx. Here 1 y by 1 minus y square dy is equal to 0. If I take the integral on both sides, if you observe properly, if I differentiate this, I should have had got minus 2x here. Here minus 2y. So if I multiply and divide this line by minus 2, what do I get? Minus 2x divided by minus 2 into 1 minus x square dx minus 2y divided by minus 2 into 1 minus y square dy is equal to 0. Yeah. So you understood, right? Why are we taking multiply and divide by minus 2? So multiply and divide by minus 2 is nothing but minus 2 by 2 into minus 2 by minus 2 into, right? That is to, in order to make the differentiation of denominator to be the numerator, we are taking minus 2. Okay. Now integrating on both sides, what do you have? I'll take minus 2x divided by minus 2 into 1 minus x square dx minus integral of minus 2y divided by minus 2 into 1 minus y square dy is equal to 0. Here I'll take 1 by minus 2 common outside. So what is remaining? Minus 2x divided by 1 minus x square dx minus integral of 2y divided by 1 minus y square dy is equal to 0. So now this is of the form integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x. So log of the denominator. So this can be written as 1 by minus 2 into log of denominator is 1 by 1 minus x square minus log of denominator is 1 minus y square is equal to, I'll take the integration constant as log c. So this is of the form log m minus log n, right? So we have 1 by minus 2 log of 1 minus x square minus log of 1 minus y square is equal to log c, right? I'm multiplying this minus inside. So what do I have? 1 by 2 into log of, this becomes minus, log of 1 minus x square, this becomes plus, minus into minus plus. So log of 1 minus y square, we have log c. I can either send this minus to the other side also, that also is fine. Okay, so now 1 by 2 into, this is of the form log m minus log n. So log m by n is equal to log c. This is of the form n log m. So this can be made as the power of this 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square, the whole power 1 by 2. This is log c. This is nothing but square root of, right? So this can be written as log of square root of 1 minus y square divided by root of 1 minus x square is equal to log c. So here I'm using logarithmic definition, so e to the power of this is equal to this, right? So root of 1 minus y square by root of 1 minus x square is equal to e to the power of log c. That is nothing but an integration constant. I can replace this by c, so this becomes root of 1 minus y square divided by root of 1 minus x square is equal to c, which is our required differential equation. Thank you.